What's up, guys? It's Carlos from Side by Side Crew here with my son CJ. Just got an announcement. We just got a speaker from K66 Motorsports. We're gonna go ahead in this video. We're gonna do an unboxing, installation, and then we'll have a part 2, the review of how the speaker does out in the real world, out in the desert when there's nowhere for the sound to actually bounce off of. So we'll do all that. But I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing. This man's excited. He's been wanting to do this video already. So we're gonna put everything else to pause. We got the dirt bike over here that's gonna pause. It has a couple parts that we're trying to install, but we're gonna put a pause on that. And we're gonna give the X3 a little bit of loving today. So let's go ahead and do it. It was packaged really well. Had 2 boxes, and this is the 3rd one, but it's from K66. All right, my helper's gone, as you can tell. He's the one that got me to start this video. And now he's gone inside to watch TV. Okay, you get the quick start guide, which is nice. Ooh, nice little zip ties. Nice. Can never have enough zip ties. Out of here. See ya. Oh man, this looks nice. It's actually nice. So let me give you a close-up. Boom, look at this. Side, looks like here's the subs. Oh, that is really nice. And the best thing is it's waterproof, because once it goes on there, it's not coming off, even when I have to wash the car. All right, I'm bringing you guys in closer. Let me say, look at this. You got a lot of options. So here, there's a USB port, and K66 provided a USB. That's amazing. Like, that's so nice. That's a great little touch. And in case you don't want to use the thumb drive, it does have a little cover where you can cover it up, and there, it's sealed. So you get both options, you know, if you wanted to upload the music on here. I mean, it seems like they thought of everything. So that's really cool. All right, so they provide everything. They even provide the tools, which is awesome. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. You know, they got these little brackets here that just slide in, right? Just slide in, and it's pretty customizable where you could set, they have like, what is it? 4 holes on each side, and you could arrange the bracket wherever you want. For now, I'm just gonna put it in the middle. I haven't even tested it on the car, but just trying to test this, and it's pretty cool. Oh, my helper's back. This is my main mechanic right here. And so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and adjust this. Look at him. Oh yeah, he's ready. He's ready to bump some music. So let me go ahead and start playing with this and play with the brackets over there on the car just to make sure, but it seems like it's pretty easy. So let me check it. Look what my helper's doing. He's supposed to be helping me. Look at him. All right, guys, so we're resuming the install on the speaker. It's been a couple days. I had a couple problems because these mounts didn't work with the center bar, the crossbar that goes through. So these didn't really work. So I ended up buying some post clamps. And this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try to use these. I bought 4 of them. So then I could put 2 on each side. I was just thinking, you know, play a little safe, more the better. So I'm gonna try to use these and see if these will work. And again, the reason why this isn't working with the bars on top is because I have aftermarket roll cage, and the roll cage is SF Raceworks. So I'll go ahead and show you the reason why. But for now, we're gonna go and try to install these. So, all right, so what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use this little rubber grommet that goes over the screws here. Let me use that, if hopefully the camera can see that. And I'm gonna use this to go around the pole, and hopefully this gives me enough grip on the pole so it doesn't slip either, so it doesn't tilt back and forth. All right, guys, let me show you what I've done. I think this will work. I've done the little jiggle test, jiggle it back and forth, it doesn't move. So let me show you what I did. All right, so what I ended up doing, I had to shift the speaker over because it would, this little plastic would interfere. And then here, it was hard for me to get this seal. Then I just shifted it over so it's not centered right now, and it's not going to be centered. And then what I did, I put the hose clamps through here on both sides so you can see that there's 2 in each. And I'll do the jiggle test, and look, this thing does not move. Again, the real test is going to be out in the trails, and hopefully it doesn't fall off. So anyways, it's pretty good. These little these hose clamps are 3 inches, so I bought them 3 inches on Amazon, and I just use this rubber seal, and dude, it's pretty darn good. I'm excited. Now Nicole mentioned you will have to see that this is upside down because it's supposed to be mounted across this bar here, so from the OEM, but because I have these crossbars, I'm not able to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the power. Luckily the battery, it's right underneath there, so I'm just going to run the power. It's going to, sorry you can't see my hand, it's going to just come across, go through here, and straight to the battery. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'm not going to do a step-by-step on just getting power, running the power cable. But what I am going to do is we are going to test out the speaker. I guess I'm going to get copywritten, but who knows. So let's jump to that. Oh yeah, it's not bad. I'm shocked and impressed. Oh, let me pause that. K speakers. Just finished the install. I've just been messing around with the settings. I really like it. All right. These are my initial thoughts. I really like the product. Love the lights. My son gives it 2 thumbs up. I really, really enjoy it. So I'll have another video where I'll do an intense review once I figure out the settings, because I haven't even ran the manual. All I did was throw the speaker on there, install, and connect it to the Bluetooth, and started playing with it. My son's been out here, he wants to be DJ now, and so I'm hoping it's loud enough to be able to enjoy it out on the trips. And also I'm hoping these hose clamps hold up, because you're going through whoop section and all that, and you're going pretty fast. So I gave it some good tugs and it didn't move, but sometimes the trails are pretty violent. So thank you, K speakers. Wait, I just thought, what if I put the speaker on the golf cart? I think that would be sick. I got to figure out how I would be able to do that. So when we go on cruises, we could listen to music. Because right now,
Daddy,
yeah, hold on. Right now, what we do is we bring a little Bluetooth speaker when we go around and cruise around the neighborhood and stuff. I think that would be sick. Ooh, I just thought about that. We'll see. I mean, I did tell K speakers that I would put it on the Can-Am. But maybe after the review, I might do that. We'll see. All right, here comes the bloopers.
We are gonna try and fix on the Can-Am. We're trying to do a part that's really cool. You should guess. You guessed it. It is the speaker.
Be right back. Let me borrow the stool.
Yeah.